So let's continue with the bold, italic and underline the data. So I will use the B tag, I tag and U tag for this. After that we will save it and then we will run it. So when we will save it, and I'm going to minimize it. When I will be run this, you will see here the first one is bold, the second one is italic, and the third one is your underline. Bold, italic and underline. So in this way you will bold, italic and underline your data. So students, next we will do this topic: strikes, subscript, superscript and typewriter the style text. So we have a code for each and every tag in our book. Like first this will be the strike, superstrike, subscript, superscript and typewriter the style text. So you will do this, will be on your own. आप अपने आप करेंगे इसको. The next topic we will have the changing the alignment of the heading. Alignment we have already done in the MS Word. So same we have in this. So if you want to left align your data, we will use align equal to left. If we will center align the data, we will use align equal to center. And if I will be doing right align the data, so I will be using align equal to right. So you will do this coding in HTML, then save it and then run it. After that you will do this changing the paragraph alignment. Okay, here I am going to use the alignment to be the center. So your paragraph will be starting from the center position. Next we have changing the font of the text. So we will use font. We will use the font, then we will use the face attribute, and face attribute कौन सा लेंगे हम? Comic Sans MS. Okay, so we will use this font to write our text. So there are many font styles of the font text. So you will use this Comic Sans MS. Next we have, you can see here, there is a Arial. I am going to use this. So Arial I will be using. Okay, so there are so many font styles. You will use both these two codings. Next we have changing the size of the text. Size mein, if I have the size 1, so it will create the smallest text. If I have the size 2, it will create the some larger than 1. Then 3 और ज़्यादा increase, then increase, then increase, then increase, then increase. If you see the output of this diagram, you will see that smallest to biggest will be the font size. Okay. The next we will change the color of the text. If you want that something is to be written in the colors, like I will be taking the color is red. So what you will use? You will use the text equal to red. So and heading will be in the center, so I will be use the center tag with heading tag H1. Okay, so after that this will be the output of your this program. Okay, so in this way you will use the text will be in the color red. Now the next I will be using the, if I want some color of some part of a text to be changed, like I will be giving the font color equals to, this is a attribute beta. So वैसे हम ये बहुत कम यूज़ करते हैं. I will be writing the color, so you will be using the color. Like I will be in the previous section I will be written here the red, so you will use a red, yellow in this way. Okay, the next is here, and you can see here the code also. Aqua, so aqua के लिए this code I will be using. Gray, this code I will be using. So there are the code designed to each color. These codes you have to learn. ये codes आपको learn करने पड़ेंगे. If you want that something is to be in the colored forms. Okay, so there are total 16 colors. So these colors you have to learn. Okay, जैसे कि इन्होंने ऊपर कौन सा color use किया है? You will see here it's double F and 000. Here we'll be using the double F and 4 times 0. So double F 4 times 0 is the color red. So content will be written in the red color. जो heading आई है computer system, it is in the red color. Okay. The next I have been using the changing the background color of the page. If you want that your background color to be changed, so we will be using the tag, it's BG color. So we will be using body BG color equal to yellow. So in this way the color will be in the form of yellow. So beta, you have to learn all these attributes. When you learn these attributes, then you are able to do the coding in HTML. So please try all these codes in your laptop or computer if you have at your home. So please try, write all these in the notepad, then save with .html extension. When you save it with .html extension, then you will run in your browser. When you will see जो भी आपने किया होगा, the output will be in the browser page. Okay, so please try all these videos because your assessment will be on the practical of the video. Okay, thank you.